Air conditioner. You'll need the following materials and tools. 1. Fill the bead tubes with water 1 centimeter from the top. Place in the freezer. 2. Fold part D. 3. Glue and tape part D to part E. 4. Fold part A. Glue and tape together. 5. Fold part B. Glue and tape together. 6. Fold part C. Glue and tape together. Fold notch to make the motor mount. 7. Make the other folds on part B. 8. Glue part B to part D. 9. Tape parts B, D, and E to the front of the air conditioner box. 10. Snap the batteries into the battery holder. 11. Hot glue the battery holder to the back side of part C. 12. Attach the fan blade to the spindle on the motor. 13. Hot glue the motor on top of part C so that the fan blade spins freely off the edge. 14. Feed the black alligator clip from the motor down through one of the holes in part C. Attach it to the black wire on the battery holder. 15. Feed one end of the red alligator clip through the other hole in part C and attach it to the red wire on the battery holder. 16. Place part C into the box. 17. When the water in the bead tubes is frozen, place the tubes in the holes in part D. 18. To run the air conditioner, attach the free ends of the alligator clips.